Most people use HubSpot Academy completely wrong. They binge a few courses, download a certificate, and then nothing changes in their business. The biggest misconception? That HubSpot Academy is just for beginners or just for certifications. It's not. If you use it strategically, it can become your free marketing department. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn HubSpot Academy into a business growth system, including one strategy almost nobody talks about that can double your ROI. When I first started using HubSpot Academy, I treated it like an online school. Take a class, get a badge, move on. But once I realized how to align the courses with revenue goals, everything changed. 1. Stop taking random HubSpot Academy courses. Here's where most beginners mess up. They search for email marketing. They take a class, then maybe a social media one, then maybe SEO. No strategy. That's like going to the gym and randomly using machines. You'll sweat, but you won't build muscle. Instead, start with this question. What is the one bottleneck in my business right now? Not getting leads? Not converting leads? Not retaining customers? Then choose courses based on that. If you need leads, focus on inbound marketing and SEO certifications. If you need sales, focus on sales enablement and CRM training. If you need retention, focus on email automation and customer experience. HubSpot Academy becomes powerful when it solves a problem, not when it feeds curiosity. 2. Build a learning to revenue map with HubSpot Academy. But here's the part nobody tells you. Courses don't grow businesses. Implementation does. After every lesson, ask, how does this increase revenue? For example, you take the email marketing course. Instead of just learning segmentation, you create a welcome sequence, a re-engagement campaign, a product launch automation. That's when knowledge becomes cash flow. One small automation can convert 3 to 5% more of your audience. If you have 1,000 subscribers, that's 30 to 50 extra buyers over time. That's not theory, that's leverage. 3. Use HubSpot Academy certifications as authority assets. Most people treat certifications like trophies. They download the badge, they post it once, then forget it exists. But here's the strategic move. Use HubSpot Academy certifications as positioning tools. Add them to your LinkedIn headline. Mention them in sales calls. Include them in proposals. Add them to your website credibility section. Authority reduces friction. When people trust you more, they buy faster. It's not about the certificate. It's about perceived expertise. 4. Turn HubSpot Academy into team training. If you have a VA, assistant, or small team, this is gold. Instead of explaining marketing concepts yourself, assign specific HubSpot Academy courses. It's free, it's structured, it's credible. You become the strategist. HubSpot becomes the trainer. That's leverage. And if you're solo right now, future you will thank you for documenting which courses build which skills. 5. Use HubSpot Academy to reverse engineer high performers. Here's an advanced move most people skip. Look at which certifications agencies and top marketers highlight. Why? Because those skills drive demand. For example, inbound marketing certification, HubSpot CRM certification, content marketing certification. These aren't random. They align with market needs. Instead of learning what sounds interesting, learn what sells. 6. Advanced HubSpot Academy tip. Now here's the insider strategy. Don't just take HubSpot Academy courses to improve your business. Take them to create content. Every lesson can become a YouTube video, a LinkedIn post, an email, a carousel, a workshop. You learn once, you monetize twice. For example, take a lesson on life cycle stages. Turn it into why most businesses lose customers before they even know they had them. Now you're not just a student, you're a thought leader. That's how you accelerate growth. If this helped you see HubSpot Academy differently, give this video a like so I know to create more strategy-based tutorials like this. And for even more tips and tricks, make sure to check out the video on the screen right now.